Alright, ready? Guys, that's how we get thumbnails out here. What am I doing with my life? This is gonna be an icy one. Alright guys, so today's challenge is 2 liters of sparkling ice water. This is actually one of my most requested videos to do. You guys apparently want me to chug sparkling ice water. This video is prior to my last ice sparkling water chug that I've done pretty much like a few months ago. Pretty much every video is like a few months ago. I actually think I didn't even complete that challenge, but today we're back with the ice sparkling water chug. Thanks to you guys for requesting it. If you do not know what ice sparkling water is basically just sparkling water that's flavored, that tastes really good. That's the only way I could possibly explain it. They are fridge cold, so that's technically they're ice cold. Before I get into today's chug here today, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button, spam the like button. You guys already know what it is. You guys already know to hit 1 billion likes on this video. I really don't know what I'm saying right now. Let's get into this 2 liters of ice sparkling water as fast as possible. Let's go. Oh, I can smell it from here. This one smells really good. Pina colada. I think that's exactly what it is. Pineapple and coconut. Wait, pineapple and coconut is pina colada. I think so, right? Comment down below. I really don't know. I forgot. That's why it smells so good. 2 liters of ice sparkling water in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I forgot how to count. I don't know what's going on in my head today. I can't think. So please leave a like down below. And go. This one doesn't taste that good. Yo. Guys, I saved the best for last. Pure flavor was weird. Delicious. Alright guys, so there it was. That was 2 liters, a little bit over 2 liters of ice sparkling water. Ice cold, very fridge cold. The back of my throat's still cold from that. Like, it's really cold. That was a challenge requested by you guys. So you guys wanted 2 liters of ice sparkling water. Here it was. If you guys have any ideas for me, any videos you guys want to see me do or anything like that, any drink you guys want me to try, make sure you guys go down below. Comment below what video you guys want me to see, and maybe I'll choose your idea, and if I do, I'll give you a shout out. Speaking of shout out, today's shout out goes to Raymond Prevost. I think that's how you pronounce the name. Guys, I am so horrible with names, so if I pronounce your name wrong, I'm so sorry. So also leave a tag up there. Raymond, shout out to you for being so active, and I love you guys all. You guys already know what it is. If you guys do want a shout out, make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. So you'll be notified when a video comes out and be the first one to comment on a video. So you guys can get your comment pinned and a shout out personally by me in the next video. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. We're on a road to 2K. Let's get it. And yeah, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm getting off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe to me, guys. You guys already know what it is. And we're out.